Why do we sneeze? We sneeze as a protective reflex to clear irritants from our nose or throat. Here's how and why it happens. Sneezing, also called sternutation, occurs when the mucous membranes of the nose or throat become irritated. This triggers a signal to the brainstem, which then causes a coordinated response involving deep inhalation, closure of the throat and eyes, rapid expulsion of air from the lungs through the nose and mouth. This high-speed burst of air, up to 100 miles per hour, helps eject irritants like dust, pollen, smoke, pet dander, germs, cold or flu viruses. Common causes of sneezing: allergies, pollen, dust mites, animal dander. Infections, common cold, flu. Strong smells, perfume, smoke. Bright light, called photic sneeze reflex. Temperature changes. Spicy food, in some people. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel for more wonderful videos.